Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through the updated process of downloading your information on Discord. This can be really useful if you want to keep a record of your messages, friends, or any other data you've shared on the platform. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you've logged into your account so we can access all your data. Once you're in, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your user settings. This is where all the magic begins. Now, you'll see a gear icon at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that to access your settings menu. Here, you'll find various options to customize your Discord experience. Next, scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to dive deeper into your privacy options. This section is crucial for managing your information and how it's handled on the app. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, scroll down again until you see the option that says, Request all of my data. This is the key step in downloading your information. Tap on it, and you'll be guided through the process. Finally, confirm your actions and complete any additional options that appear on your screen. Discord will then prepare your data, which may take some time. You'll receive a notification when it's ready for download. And that's it. You've successfully requested your data from Discord. Remember, having a record of your online interactions can be really valuable. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring on Discord.